What's going on YouTube? It's Ken. I'm back at it with a new video. I know I haven't shot a video in like 5 or 6 months now, but school got super busy, so I had to really focus down on that. But it's the summertime. I'm living in New York City for a little bit, doing a summer program out here. So I just wanted to get back into the swing of things, start shooting some more videos. It seems as though I can't go a video without talking about the Adidas UltraBoost. Definitely one of my favorite shoes. I've had my pair for over 2 years now, and I completely wrecked them because I wear them so much. The midsole is like a yellowish brown color, and the bottom is just getting chewed up from all the traction and friction. So today we're just gonna restore the midsole because the shoe has so much more life to it. It's just like that yellow and brownish color on the midsole makes it look a bit more beat up than it actually is. So this is my original pair, and this is a pair that I've worked on already. So you can see like the huge difference in the color. Just gonna add some more life to it because replacing these soles is definitely not easy. I've seen a video of it done and it's super involved. So we're just gonna whiten it and bring some more life back into the shoe. It's gonna be very easy. You don't even need a paintbrush, there's just one tool. So let's go to the desk and start working on it. So for this tutorial, all you're gonna need are the shoes that you wanna restore the midsole for. We're gonna be working on my UltraBoost today. I already did one pair, so we're just gonna finish this up. And the most important part, you're gonna need this. This is an oil-based Sharpie pen. You can get these off of Amazon for $5. I'll leave the link in the description below, so definitely check it out. This is essential for the tutorial because you don't need a paint and a paintbrush. All you need is just this thing, and we're pretty much just gonna be coloring the midsole. These come in different colors. You can even get the black one and just black out your UltraBoost. I've seen that done and it looks amazing. So we're gonna do about 3 to 4 coats of this. Just put one coat down and let it dry for maybe like 5 minutes, leave it in the window, and then come back and do your other 3 or 4. It looks pretty good. It's oil-based, so it won't wash off in the rain. I've played basketball in these and I've worked out in them and they don't crack. It still looks pretty good. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is clean the midsole. You wanna get all the dirt off of this. What I usually do is just use an old toothbrush and some dish detergent or laundry detergent and just brush the midsole, wipe it down and let it dry a little bit. So we're pretty much just gonna color this. So you can make an outline. Let me just make an outline for the top and the bottom. So you just want to draw an outline all the way across the shoe, just so it can be easier to make it more neat. You don't want to have white spots where it should be like the blacker material of the shoe. So just making an outline helps a bit. And then all you're going to do is just color and just fill in the inside of it. As you can see, the shoe is already getting way wider than it was before. You can even get some of the creases, some of those little crevices there by pulling the shoe back and just going at it with the pen a little bit, making sure not to get the paint on the body of the shoe on the upper portion. If you do by mistake get some paint on there, you can just quickly scratch it off with your nail, just like scratch at it and it'll come off. So we're just gonna go all over the shoe with the paint. This is our first coat. After we do this, we're gonna let it dry for like 5 minutes and then come back at it and do 3 more coats. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to help you out. This is definitely a great way to bring more life to some of your favorite pairs of shoes. I am definitely gonna wear these now that I'm finished with both pairs. Might even throw them on after I finish shooting this video. If you decided to do a different color other than white, if you wanted to do the all black, that blacked out look, definitely let me know because I'm excited to see what different colors you guys can do with the different colors of the Sharpie markers. If you guys have any video suggestions, definitely leave them down below. I'm a little bit more free since it's the summertime, and I'm in New York City for the summer, like I said, so if you guys have any events I should check out, let me know. It's been Ken. Until next time, peace.